Joe here at Southern Coast Cooking. I'm getting some ribs ready. We're going to put on the Yoder this afternoon. A little bit different than I've done now. I've been on this mayonnaise kick instead of using the mustard. Using mayonnaise as a binder. I find that it works very, very well. So that's what we're doing here. Put a little mayonnaise binder on them. Coming back with some of my Heaven Made Products rib rub. I'll show you all here. The Heaven Made Products is rib rub. What we're using. Put a link in the description box. I'm going to put these out in the 640. I wanted to do the Keeman today with my new wood and all that stuff, but it's raining like crazy outside, so I'll be able to do that. So we'll have to do these on the 640. Get that cranked up for y'all. Alright, y'all, we're going to go ahead and get these ribs on the Y640. And I got a little piece of cherry wood from my friends over there at the Smoky Woods. I'm going to put that, let's see, how long we go with this? Maybe like this, okay? Oh, yes, sir. Good looking ribs. That piece of wood. Now, I'm going to take a little torch and we're going to light that piece of wood there. I want to get a little smoke out of it. I'm just going to kind of get this wood kind of smoldering a little bit. I really wanted to cook on a stick burn today, but I couldn't because it's raining outside. So we'll just do this here. That'll be good enough. Right there. Hey y'all, so my friend over at Trigger Happy Barbecue, and Trigger Happy Barbecue sauce what I'm going to be using on these ribs, wants me to try his method of injecting like a fruit juice type injection mid-cook on the ribs, like right before you wrap them. So here's what I've come up with, okay? I've got a little Trigger Happy Barbecue sauce right there, okay? I've got my little pan down here. Now I've got some apple juice, okay? Just a little kiddo's apple juice right here. And what we're going to do, we're just going to kind of squeeze this apple juice into here just so I can shake this bottle out, okay? And we'll use this to make an injection, okay? Now hold on just a second. Okay, so I'm going to just shake this all about here and get that mixed in with a little bit of Trigger Happy there. He said he's used like black cherry juice and stuff like that. I don't have anything like that around here. So we're just going to use this apple juice mixed with a little bit of Trigger Happy. I think that'll make a fine injection right there. I'm going to heat up a little bit just to make sure everything's mixed well. And we'll give that a try, okay? Heat it up right now because it's going to be a while before the rib's ready to inject. Bring it to a simmer. We'll shut it off and we'll roll with that. I think I'll add some honey to it as well. It'll just it'll help it get a little bit of sweetness. You know what, I just got a great idea. Let's add everything we would wrap inside the ribs to this injection, and we'll just inject instead of having to put the other ingredients in the wrap. So we've got some brown sugar here. We'll add some butter. You know, all this stuff that we'll put in the injection normally, okay? And we'll just let that go, and we'll simmer that down, and we'll inject the ribs before we wrap them. All right, y'all, so let's try this new method of wrapping and injecting the ribs. They've been on here about 3 hours smoking. Got a nice little bend to them. Put it right down here on the foil. Alright, I'll zoom y'all down here and show you what I'm going to try to do, okay? And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to inject that mixture that we made earlier with the juice and Trigger Happy Barbecue sauce and stuff like that into the ribs. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see here. So go down about each rib or so, do some injecting. Alright. Interesting. I've never injected ribs before, but we tried it. Alright. Whoop. Let some juice spew out of it. Go ahead and get some more here. But we'll go ahead and do this. All 3 racks of these ribs. And I think, according to folks at Trigger Happy, they should put some good flavor into it. Now they usually use, like I said, fruit juices and stuff like that. We're just injecting them with this mixture I made. But mid-cook injection, we're giving it a try. And we're gonna wrap them up. So after that injection, squirting a little bit on top, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these bad boys up and put them back on the cooker for about an hour or two. You know, like we normally do with wrapped ribs. Alright, y'all, so these ribs have cooked 2 hours wrapped. Alright, I just unwrapped them. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get a little bit of this Dizzy Pig red rub right here. It's good stuff, good taste and good for color. And we're gonna sprinkle them down a little bit with that. A little red rub on there. This really gives them kind of a pop, gives them color and everything else. Now I'm gonna put them back on the smoker, and we're gonna put some of our sauce on there. This is the sauce we're using. I'm using this, the Trigger Happy, okay? If y'all can see that or not. Yeah, Trigger Happy barbecue sauce. So, let's put them back on the smoker first. And we'll install the barbecue sauce. Show y'all here how I do this one at least. Right there, back on the smoker. Put this one off while I'm in there. Okay. Zoom going in a little bit here on that. And take my Trigger Happy barbecue sauce, and we'll just pack that sucker down. Oh yeah, that's good stuff there. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Brush come apart, ain't that something? Of all things, never had that happen. Let this go right here for about an hour. You know, just let this sauce and everything just cook in real good right there, just like that, y'all. That's nice. All right, y'all, I think they're done. You can go ahead and take them off now. They just got that beautiful sheen to them, but on here about another hour. And just pull them off and put them on the tray here. One thing you gotta be careful with the ribs like this, these bones will catch on the grill and break them apart. Oh, see it there? Yeah, broke. It's alright though. Alright. Get this one on as well. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Man, that looks delicious. Y'all look at that. That is fabulous. I'm about to try one of these Trigger Happy barbecue injected ribs here. Let's give it a try. Oh man. That's some good flavor right there for sure. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. Yeah, that Trigger Happy really imparts some nice flavor. Very good flavor. And that injection I think helped too. Might try that again, especially, and one of these ribs turned out really nice. So thank y'all so much. Please look in the description box for that Trigger Happy barbecue. I'll have videos on my channel. Y'all have a good one. God bless.